Imagine taking any photo, it could be yours, of a character, or even a product, and turning it into a video with real and natural movement as if it had been recorded. Now check this out, completely different people doing exactly the same movement with perfect synchronization as if it were the same video. And this wasn't recorded. Everything was done with artificial intelligence in just a few minutes. Shall we see how it works? So let's get to the video. What you're seeing here is Pollo Mimic, an AI tool focused on something very specific and at the same time extremely powerful. Transferring movement from a real video to a static image. In practice, you take a photo, choose a reference video with some movement, and the tool applies exactly that movement to the image, keeping the face and body consistent. You don't need to film, you don't need to edit. You don't need to set up anything at all. It's literally just a photo, some motion, and the video's done. But the most interesting point here isn't just the visual effect, it's how this can be applied in different scenarios. Well, so after clicking the link that's going to be down here in the video description, you'll go to Pollo Mimic and you can already tell that this is a complete platform for anyone who wants to create content. Here you have several tools available for you to create pretty much any type of video. But today, we're going to focus on this tool here called Pollo Mimic. And here in the inspiration section, you can already see a bunch of things we can do simply by imitating videos that already exist on the internet. It's really impressive because using a video as an example, you can upload any photo and let the artificial intelligence bring that photo to life. This first scenario I want to show you is for those who work in education and need to create videos that engage children. So this is a very strong use case, especially for those who work in education. You can create educational characters like mascots or virtual teachers and make these characters move to explain content, react, point, interact, and so on. Instead of using static images or slides, you turn this into short videos that grab much more attention, especially with children. Now, for those who create content, this really speeds up production. You can take trends that are going viral, like dances or gestures, and apply them directly to your own character without having to record anything at all. This allows you to test ideas much faster, produce in volume, and adapt content for different formats. Instead of relying on filming, lighting, or a set, you start relying only on your creativity and your timing. Well, and for those who talk about artificial intelligence like I do, this becomes a perfect tool for demonstration and even content creation. To create avatars, test different visual styles, and even make comparison videos by applying the same movement to various characters. Well, and to create your imitation, it's all very simple. You will open the tool, click here on Pollo Mimic, and here you will select the sample video. That is, the video that will be applied to that static image you have on your computer. This is the video right here.
Flex up, stretch out, big bands.
Alright, once that's done, now we just need to add a static image here to copy the movement from the video I chose. It asks me to select the format here. I'll leave it as original and click OK. From there are a few options. If you want, it's totally optional. You can write a prompt here so the artificial intelligence knows exactly what you want to imitate. If not, you can leave it blank. Then down here, there are other options. In the standard mode, it will generate a video but with slightly lower quality. If you want something to post with higher quality, then just switch it to Pro mode. Remember that in Pro mode, it will consume more credits. In standard mode, I use 21 credits, and in Pro mode, 27 credits. It's just a little more, but in the end, it makes a difference. And then you can choose if you want public visibility and copy protection here. If that doesn't matter to you, just click Create. While it's generating my video, take a look at these results I got. This is the original video of Tony Stark.
But I don't have the profile of a hero. I'm a person with so many flaws. The truth is I am Iron Man.
Agora, o vídeo feito pelo Pollo Mimic.
That I don't have the profile of a hero. I'm a person with so many flaws. The truth is I am Iron Man.
Very cool, right? In this other example here, I took a little piece from the opening of a video here on the channel. Hi everyone, look how far we've come. Imagine having an AI running directly on your computer, or even on your cell phone. Now see how the video created by Pollo Mimic turned out. Hi everyone, look how far we've come. Imagine having an AI running directly on your computer or even on your cell phone. No need for internet, no need to depend on a server. Just open it and it's already there, ready to use. You install it, open it, and it can already write code, organize tasks, analyze images, and even help you in your daily life. All right there in the palm of your hand. Really cool. Notice that I have lip sync, in other words, the synchronization of what I'm saying with my lip movements. And another thing, the expressions are also the same. So, as the character speaks, he replicates my expressions. This is really cool because the video looks much more natural. There, it's done. Let's see how it turned out. Flex up.
Scratch out, big bands. Whoa.
Whoa, I'll put one next to the other here so we can compare.
Scratch out, big bands. Whoa.
It's impressive how it manages to copy the movement, the expressions, and when there's speech, even the lip movement. So guys, try it out because this feature is really cool. If you create content, you no longer need to worry about lighting, directing, script, none of that. You choose a viral video, something cool you found on the internet, use a still photo, and let artificial intelligence turn it into a video just for you. Cool, right? So, what we have here is pretty clear. You're not just using AI to help you, you're using AI to do your job. This completely changes the game because operations are no longer the bottleneck and the focus shifts to the idea, strategy, and creation. If you want to try Pollo Mimic, the link is in the description and in the pinned comment at the top. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
I've been all around the globe, seen the sun and watched it glow.